I'm Rick Schneider. That's the Mexican. And that is a 1976 Corvette engine. Fun. And I like the little crackhead breather. We're definitely sticking this thing on. It's gonna give it all the horse purse. All the ponies, right? That's probably like 12 ponies. Right there.
Put a sticker on it.
Gotta put some flame decals on it, you know, add another 12 horse purse. And by the time to get this thing lifted up, get a new oil pan gasket on it, stick a new thermostat in it, you know, get some new old stock. Because my grandfather, when I bought that 1972, gave me a box of these. So I got enough. Old stock wicks. Dana. I'm not Dana, I'm Marcus. We gotta get this thing out of here and start tinkering on it.
I was lost, just a shadow of myself. When you found me, I was lonely, yeah.
So because I bought a brand new thermostat for this motor, I thought, why not? I'll just buy a brand new thermostat for the other one. Now this one, we still need to hear this run eventually.
I bet it'll pop off. We just need to start it over.
But then you took my hand and said, it's gonna be alright. I'm here for you tonight. I need overkills for you, baby. Ooh, can't believe that you are my lady. It's so crazy, it's so crazy. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one. Head over heels, head over heels. Na 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 na. Head over heels, head over heels.
I'll work with that distributor. It'll be fine.
Just stick my finger in it.
Oh, yeah, that's nothing. Just throw a little duct tape over it on both sides.
Well, you're not like Cameron. Extra ventilation.
No, like I said, just stick some duct tape on it. It'll be fine. Like, that's not a problem. Here's that.
I'm so high. For so long I've searched for something that feels right. For the love of my life.
Start your
Then you
Tire Express. Are you tired yet?
it's gonna be alright. I'm here for you tonight. Oh. She got the love for me, she got the love for me.
gaskets. I'm gonna say this now. Go test out Pist'n Twisted. I'll leave a link in the description below. He's an amazing how to make your own gaskets video. Like, it's really, really awesome. Startup process.
I was lost, just a shadow of myself. When you found me, I was lonely, yeah. But then you took my hand and said, it's gonna be alright. I'm here for you tonight. I need overkills for you, baby. Ooh, can't believe that you are my lady. It's so crazy, it's so crazy. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one. Head over heels, head over heels. Na 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 na. Head over heels, head over heels.
Hey, that means I got no leaks anymore. That's why I turned the motor. Oh, and the power
I'm so high. For so long I've searched for something that feels right. For the love of my life.
trying to cruise at the same time.
Then you took my hand and said, it's gonna be alright. I'm here for you tonight. Oh. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one. She got the love for me, she got the love for me. She makes me feel like I'm the only one.
Yeah, they've got no fucking corrosion on them. They look like they're cracked. There's a little bit of scratching on this guy. That's it. That might be just that the
Wear and
piston was
tear.
sticking. Well, it might have just been that the piston was sticking a little bit when I first turned her. Alright, I'm a lot more happy. Yeah, like I said, every fucking one of these V8s I ever get in the future now, I'm just gonna pull the fucking oil pan off. Cause it's just worth it. Cause then you know what you got. So the story I was sold on with the motor was that the motor, what it was is it's out of a 76 Corvette. The guy had it, he got the motor. Mexican. He had an early 2000s truck. The truck blew its motor, so he had this motor built and put in there. And it wasn't in that truck for very long because the guy had he had a little bit too much fun with the apple juice, and he got the truck impounded. He couldn't pay the impound fee, so the tow truck company got ownership of the truck, but they were told by insurance it has to be destroyed. He couldn't keep any of the truck. So because this engine was original, it wasn't attached to the VIN, he took the engine out and he sold it to the guy I bought it off of. And it's just that. So it didn't have a lot on it before it was pulled out of that truck from the rebuild. But I can believe that because it's got a rebuild guarantee void if removed stamp right here that gets put on after if a motor's rebuilt. It's got a brand new aluminum plugs in it, aluminum pistons, and I don't know, can I show the cross hatching a little bit? It's got like all of them are like fresh cross hatch, nice, like this motor has not been run really at all. Yeah, there we go. Like you can see they're just nice. So I believe the guy's story now with this because internally this thing is beautiful. It's more beautiful than I ever will be. More beautiful than my ex on prom date. Oh fuck. But I'm really happy. Like even look, I don't see anywhere on any of this. I'm just impressed. I like that. It's funny because it looks like the block, because the top of the motor and stuff, all that stuff looks not the prettiest, like it was just thrown on there from a truck or something. Even though the heads do match it, they are both blue. They're the same paint. I'm confused here. Like, I believe the story because this is all proof that it was rebuilt not that long ago, or rebuilt and not used very much. So that story, I believe, has a fairly more modernized filter on it. I know I'm sticking some new old stock Wix filter on it from 20 years ago because I just have those in stock, brand new, a case. It's gonna be so sad when I run out of that case. I'm probably gonna keep the last filter for myself, just as a kind of momentum, because my great grandfather bought those filters. I'm impressed with this. I think I did a good deal. He's playing with fire. I'm gonna stick a different oil pan on it because this oil pan has got a couple love marks on it. That's a good way to put it. I just gave it another one. It's got a couple love marks, so I got a better pan here that I'm cleaning up. Then I paint it up and put it on. This, I'm not worried about any of this. I can't believe how, like, I also believe that it must have been rebuilt by a shop because, like, this paint, there's no flakes on it, there's no rust on it anywhere on the block and the head paint at all. And she's pretty, like, if I probably spit shine that, look, that clean. Oh wow. Okay. That is okay. We might have to clean this motor because that's kind of pretty. I'm happy with this. Interrupt this, right? We're scheduled broadcast.
I feel so frustrated, and I make it so damn complicated for myself. My world seems like it's deflating. Oh, but I have to smile throughout it for everyone else. Sometimes I wanna fly high up to the clouds, and I just wanna cry down. keep quiet instead of on.
Swap the carburetor and stuff. That's for the vacuum. It's all hooked up properly. Fuel is hooked up to the fuel pump. We got that on. Oil pan's on. Needs to have oil in it. Yes, it's been painted yellow, cause why not? Power steering pump, we're in the middle of swapping that over. It still needs to be done. We're gonna do that another day. It's got a whole good old 7 fan on her for all the turbos. She's almost oil pan gasket has been put on. New oil filter needs to be filled with oil. Needs to all the fun stuff. The mounts still need to go on, but next things is carburetor's all set up, all plumbed, ready to go. I'm tired. He's tired. He's getting annoyed at me because I'm talking. Yellow thermostat, brand new thermostat. Yeah, a bunch of stuff. She's good to go. We'll need to put an oil dipstick in there later. I completely forgot about that. Your tape? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to bring a roll tomorrow. But so far that's what she's like. Maybe I'll just bring the chrome valve covers tomorrow too.
Why not?
Yeah. Slowly coming together. The next goal, the next time, is to finish up the motor next time, mount up the transmission, and throw it in the truck. And then once it's thrown in the truck, we'll put oil in it once it's in the truck and see if she starts. Get her going, eh? We're done. You're done, buddy. All right. And there's the transmission. All right. See you guys next time.
Someone else. Sometimes I wanna fly, hey, and I try to catch, and I just wanna cry.